So hello guys, Michael Amigas TV. So I'm making the final episode, and this time around is about the solid blocks. So we finished the project that we had at Hispania. So this is the final, the episode final of this project. Otherwise, before I continue, let me welcome you and kindly remember to subscribe and turn on the ring bell so that you will be notified when we have a new video. Also, you can find me using my email, Michael Amigas, and without forgetting the phone numbers that I always give you, +25470504127 or +25478761760 on WhatsApp, Telegram, and we'll have to speak. Otherwise, let's go and see. So guys, this is the project from the first place where we are working, and you can see we've managed to make here about 350 blocks made out of 10 bags, ratio of 35 per bag, and we have managed to clear everything. So that's why you see me dressed. And now after the job, we are done and dust. So this is the area one that we are working on. So this is the sand soil that we were using. And you see the other side. Here is where now we are working, now to finish. This is the last wheelbarrow. Yeah, these guys are pushing me. And after this now, we will be moving. Vako maha. Dapat beri kanu muigoto. Namuntu nu muigoto kwa egonu. So otherwise guys, as you see, so we managed to clear, and you see counting now is the project manager, is the owner of the project. They are trying to confirm and make sure that the right numbers as we were earlier agreed. So guys, as usual, I always tell you, remember to subscribe and turn on the ring bell so that whenever we have a new video, you're always notified. So this being this episode final, so completing the job or the task, I only urge you that whenever you have a new or a job, kindly remember to call us, contact us using the numbers that we always give you so that we can be part of your home. So as I move further, guys, I'm Michael Amigas TV. So always contact us using my phone numbers, +2547 0500 4127 or +254 787 617 604 on both WhatsApp and Telegram. Otherwise, use also my email, michaelamigas@gmail.com, and we will converse. Otherwise, see you in the next project.